Hello and welcome. I am going to do a little tutorial now on using Maproom. Maproom is a plugin downloaded from this website. Once you have it installed, you can go into the Maproom little window. So once we have our Maproom window in the scene, you start by going OpenStreetMap and Satellite. Select that. That puts a placeholder for Maproom. Now that we've got OpenStreetMap and Satellite selected, you'll see a new icon under Maps in Scene. If we click on that, we get a new window where we can set the latitude and longitude of a location. So how we can do this is to actually go into Google Maps and we will choose a latitude and longitude. Let's choose a site in Cape Town, South Africa, where we're using it for our project. So interestingly, this is a bit backwards, the map anchor location. I usually refer to latitude and longitude, but this one, please note it says longitude and then latitude. So the longitude in this case is 18.573.182. It doesn't take that many decimal points, but that's okay. And our latitude is minus 34.024746. So if we go update space, that's choosing an address, you will note, in Cape Town in South Africa. So now that we've actually got that location there, we can go into our terrain mapping and we can choose an area of the map. So for example, to do the full Cape Town site that we did for our model, I had 60 by 100 kilometers. And you can see the pixel width is 640. Now, if I said, for example, 8,000 pixels, and then estimate zoom level, it changes it to 4048 pixels. And that's because that's the maximum width in pixels that you can have. So we'll accept that. Now the image source, instead of OS map NIC, we're going to select Bing. So we get the Bing satellite imagery. And then we can do update map images. And that will bring in the Bing map for that area. It will take some time for this to happen. Meanwhile, 3D Studio Max will hang and not let you do anything. So we just have to be a little bit patient and wait for that to happen. Now we can actually pan and tilt that. Now you will notice that if we look at it side on, there is no thickness or no height set up in this terrain. We still have a 2D version of the map at this point. So given we've got that, and you can see we've selected no terrain. So we're going to choose map box terrain and choose the same zoom level. You can leave the terrain mesh density at 10. You'll note that the pixel resolution has gone back to 640. So anything over the 4048 pixels will go update map images. Again, we'll have to wait for this to resolve itself. Now it looks like we're done. And we'll have another look at our image. And you'll see now we have terrain. There is actually depth to the map and between the port and the mountain. And it's really awesome to be able to see that detail and see the terrain, which is a significant part of Cape Town and the coastline. So that's how we show terrain inside our Maproom model.